personal injury lawsuit from start to finish, if your case goes all the way to a trial, could take 2 or 3 years. Very small percentage of cases actually go the whole way to a trial. We may be able to settle your case entirely without a lawsuit in an out-of-court settlement. The length of that process will still depend on a number of things: how long you're treating for, how long it takes to get in the medical records, how quickly we can get the insurance company to look at your claim. But a lawsuit specifically, from start to finish, could take a couple, 3-year length of time. The reason for that is there are a number of steps involved. We file the lawsuit, the insurance company will appoint a lawyer to defend the defendant. There's a process called discovery, where each side gets to find out about what the other party is going to say in court. We get to ask for things like surveillance footage, incident reports, copies of policies and procedures, the insurance claims file. Those records get exchanged. The opposing lawyer is going to ask to see your medical records, your tax returns, anything that pertains to your injuries and damages. There's depositions taken in a case where the lawyers will ask questions of the opposing parties under oath with a court reporter, so we can further understand what their testimony will be. The opposing lawyer might want to have you examined in what's called an independent medical exam, where they'll send you to a doctor who will examine you and write a report on what they think your injuries are. There may be a mediation process where we meet with a mediator to try to resolve your case. If it still can't settle and goes to a jury trial, because the courts are so backlogged with so many cases, it often takes a long time till we can get an actual trial date. And from start to finish, that trial date might be 2 or 3 years after your case was filed. We push cases as quickly as we can. Unfortunately, litigation is an inherently long road, despite how quickly we try to push your case. But from start to finish, it could take 2 to 3 years if it goes the whole way. We may be able to get it done even quicker than that, but never at the expense of what your case is worth. We will always maximize the value of your case. If that means going all the way to a trial, that's what we'll do. We'll keep you informed the entire process so you know what's coming and you know where you are in the process. But litigation is a long road.